So what'd you get? How many feet?
It was 439, but it moved because he moved it. And then it was 4.
Okay. So 400 and what?
439
Let's
and
just
4
go.
inches.
Let's go 438.
438
All right.
because he moved it.
So now we need to go. We need to go back over here, and we need to mark for our fence post to go into. Okay. All right. There's Cecil. Watching me do the fence. Okay, you can see here I had to switch insulators from those other ones. Tractor Supply was sold out, so I went to Southern States and bought these. I think they'll do the trick. Okay, so now I'm fixing to basically get a straight line. Fixing to put in a gate, and I'm gonna put a T-post in. It's approximately 12 foot. And I'm going to go from there. I'm just going to finish it off over there with the other T-post. So I'm just going to speed up the process so y'all don't have to sit there and watch me struggle. You can see here I put the handles in, gates, so I can let them into that field. And then they're in this field right now. I'm letting them eat it down pretty heavy. I'm fixing to transfer them over into this other field over here. And then I'm going to reseed this field section. So this is part of my rotational grazing, trying to beat the parasites. See you next time.